I'm going to mute everybody. All right, so jog it out. And then we're gonna go into butt kicks, heels to your butt. We're gonna get those knees up, nice and high. If you need to just march, you can just march. And jumping jacks, hands all the way up. If you need to step, you can step it out. All right, butt kicks one more time, heels all the way up. Keep that core nice and tight. And high knees one more time. Try to get them up a little bit higher this time, if you can. And jumping jacks, one last time. All right, and we're gonna squat it out. So just regular squats. Just take your time, get nice and low. All right, and forward lunges, alternating sides. All right, and side to side hops. You should be nice and warm now. We got about 10 seconds to go. And 1, all right. So if you can hear me, just thumbs up so everybody can hear me, right? Good, perfect. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do our 60, 50, 40 format. We're gonna have 2 rounds. We're gonna have 4 exercises in each round. And I am gonna go through each of those exercises right now. So I'm gonna show you 4 exercises that are in round 1. And then we're gonna go through them a couple times. So your first move, whatever weight you choose to do, that's totally up to you. We're gonna use 1 dumbbell. You're gonna do a deadlift. So your feet are about shoulder width apart. You're gonna pull those shoulders back. You're coming down, you're bringing that dumbbell right between your feet. Notice how my head is coming down with that movement. And then you're coming up and squeezing. So all the way down into that deadlift, and then you're coming up. So you're hinging at your hips, coming down, and then coming up. That's your first move. Second move, you're gonna hold 1 dumbbell. You can choose your weight. We're gonna go into static full range lunges. So you're coming down, all the way up, down, all the way up, all the way down. Then we're gonna go to the other side for 1 minute. And then our 4th exercise is going to be plyometric lunges. So you're hopping from side to side. If you cannot hop, you can just step it back and step it back, okay? So our first move, we have our Romanian deadlift with 1 dumbbell. So choose your weight wisely. Make sure you're driving through your heels and keep your glutes and your hamstrings tight so that you don't hurt your back. So get ready. We got 60 seconds on that clock. We got 3, 2, 1, and go. Go at your own pace. So you're gonna come down, hinge, 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 bring your hips and butt back. And then you're coming up, squeezing. Good, so you're gonna get a really good stretch on the way down. And then you're coming up. If you're like, oh, my weight's too light, keep going as I'm talking. You got 20 in, we got 40 to go. You can add 2 dumbbells together to make it a little bit heavier. Damn, Steph, I love your equipment you got there. We got 30 and we got 30 to go. Good. And up and squeeze. That neck, spine staying in the same alignment as you come up and as you come down. We got 15 seconds to go. This is gonna be the easiest one out of all this first round. So enjoy it. Enjoy that stretch. We got 5 seconds to go. 2, 1, you got 15 seconds to breathe. You're gonna get a dumbbell or whatever equipment you have, and you're gonna get into that lunge position. Make sure you're not in too far of a lunge. Bring that leg in a little bit. We're going 60 seconds on each side in 3, 2, 1, go. So dig it down and up. That foot that's in the front, that weight is going into that heel as you come down and up. Do not let your body protrude forward. Your hips and butt are coming straight down to that ground and drive through that heel. All the way down. Woo, we got 40 seconds to go. You should be feeling a little bit of a burn in your backside right now. We got 30 seconds to go. Good. And if your weights ever get too much, you can do this without a weight. You do not have to do this with a weight. We got 15 seconds to go. Dig all the way down and push up. Good. Last 10. If you came out, I want you back in there. Push, push, push. 2 and 1. We're gonna switch to the other side in about 15 seconds. So get ready. We got 3, 2, 1, go. So switch your side. Good. And up. Make sure your knee is aligned with that toe so your knees aren't going out or in. Good. Dig down all the way in that lunge. Good job. Keep it up. We got about 30 seconds to go. I had to turn on my music. I need music for this, man. Good, we got 30 seconds, just less than 30 seconds. Dig and push. Good. You're gonna keep that core tight too. You got this, Steph. Come on. Good, Liz. Find that balance. You're there. We got 10 seconds to go. 2 and 1. Drop your weight. Little breather. We got our plyometric lunges. So you're gonna hop. Big hops if you can. Or you're gonna do step back lunges. Just like that, alternating sides, okay? 3, 2, 1. Go, 60 seconds. Good. Big hops. Try to create that burn. That's what we're here for. Woo! It's happening. Good. Land and explode up. Woo! Good, if you need to, just step it back. You're still gonna feel it just as much. Just like that, we got 25 seconds on the clock. Woo! Oh man, I gotta slam my legs a little bit. We got 10 seconds. If you came out, try to push now. 2 and 1. Oh man, is everybody feeling that? Yeah, it's been a minute since I've done something like this. That hurt. All again for 50 seconds. Xenia, you better drink that water today, lady. I know, you're doing great. All right, so we got about 10 seconds. We're gonna start with our deadlift. So remember, hinge and up, okay? The music's not too loud, right? Okay, good. All right, get ready. We're going in 3, 2, 1, go. Your arms are locked out. Hinge and up. There you go. Good. I'm gonna watch everybody. Good, Steph. Push your knees out slightly, Steph. Yeah, and come down a little. No, push them outward. Push your knees out, yes. And come down slower, good. Good, Donna. Pull those shoulders back a little bit. Keep that spine nice and straight. We got 30 seconds. Nice, Liz. Woo! I felt that stretch, everyone. We got 20 seconds. I was kidding, we got less than 5 seconds. 2 and 1. I thought we were going for a minute again. So breathe it out. 1 dumbbell, full range, static lunge. Pick a side. We're going in 3, 2, 1, go. So 50 seconds, all the way up and down. Up. Good. Good. Feel that resistance on the way down. And then drive up through that heel. All the way down. And drive it up. I kind of love these, but like hate them at the same time. They're so good. We got 20 seconds. Woo! Less than 10 if you came out. You're back in now. 2 and 1. Breathe. We're gonna switch that side. Other side. The other side's always a little harder. All right, we're going in 3, 2, 1. Go for it. Good, all the way down. Drive it up through that heel that's in that front foot. And come down nice and slow. Good, keep it going. We're halfway. Good, Donna, come all the way down. Drive her up. I didn't pick a too heavy weight because I was scared I wasn't gonna survive with y'all. You're all doing amazing. Keep it up, good, Steph, all the way down. Drive up, last 10. Good, Karen. Last 5 seconds to go. 2 and 1. So prepare your run. We got plyometric lunges or step back lunges for 50 seconds. In 2, 1, go. Woo! And just remember, if you are just doing step backs, these hurt. They're not easy. Make sure you get nice and low and drive through that front foot. Drive through that heel. We got 25 in. Sarah, you're killing it. Keep it going, girl. Don't stop. Good. Perfect. Less than 20 seconds on the clock. We're almost there. Sarah, get back in. Don't stop. We got 5 seconds. 2 and 1. Woo! Grab some water. Not too much water. Oh, my legs. They're gonna hate me tomorrow. Woo! So we have one more round. We have 40 seconds at each, and then we'll get a nice little break, and then we're gonna go into round 2, okay? So we're gonna start with our deadlift with our single dumbbell. So if you feel like you can add a little bit more weight, if you have 2 lower weights, you can always hold them together like this, and you can always create more weight if you need to, okay? If you need to lower your weights, you can lower your weights, okay? So set it up. We're going 40 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, go. Here you go. Good, so feet are shoulder width apart. Coming down. Make sure your knees do not cave in. Keep those knees pushed out. That's gonna waken up the glutes a little bit. I don't know what I'd do without you comfort. If you really go first, we are now halfway. Woo! Good. Last 5, try to give me 2 more reps. 1 more, 2, and 1. We're gonna go right, we got about 15 seconds. We got our static full range lunges for 40 seconds on each side. If you can bump up your weight, try to bump it up. We got 3, 2, 1, and go. Whatever side you wanna start with. So all the way down and up. Good. Make sure you're keeping your core really tight. Always gotta work that core, even if you're doing legs. Woo, we got 20 seconds to go. Last 10. Stay in it with me, girls. All the way down, all the way up. Amazing job, 2 and 1. You're gonna switch right away to the other side. It's getting hot over here. Woo! I love it though. Gotta go to the other side now in 3, 2, 1, and go. All the way down, drive it up. Woo! Make sure you're breathing. You always inhale down, exhale up for that power. Inhale down, exhale up. We got 10 seconds to go. Good. Don't give up on me now. We got 1 more rep, 2, and 1. So breathe. So we got our plyometric lunges or step back lunges for 40 seconds. We're going in 3, 2, 1, go. This is your last time here. Woo! We already got 10 in. You got 10 to go. I mean, 30 to go. Good job. Stay in it. Big hops. If you can, the burn is real. We got 10 seconds. I always say you got to get back into it. The last 10 is the most important part. 2 and 1. Woo! All right, so we get a little breather. Woo. Grab some water. I'm gonna go through round 2 as you get your nice little break. So we got 4 new exercises. So first one, we're gonna do a front squat with 2 dumbbells. So you're gonna rest these, the opposite head of the dumbbell on your shoulders. You're gonna hold the other side. You're gonna get your elbows up nice and high, and then you're gonna do a regular squat. So all the way down and up. Squat it down and up. Second exercise, you're gonna get your feet nice and wide, okay? You're gonna come down, side lunge, and then you're gonna shift into the other side. You're gonna switch that hand, come down. So focusing, putting that weight into this heel as you go from side to side. This leg stays nice and straight. You get a good pull on the inner thigh, and then you're working the outer glute as you go into this side of your leg, okay? So you're gonna do that, and then we have power squats for our third exercise. So down and up, down and up. If you need to step, step it in, step it down, step it in. And our last one, we're gonna do half and half, single leg glute bridge. So you're here, you're gonna come up, down, up, and down. So those are our 4 moves. So we got our front squat with our dumbbells to start. Get ready right away. If you have a barbell, you are holding your barbell on your fingers like this and getting your weight, your barbell up. Yep, and get those elbows up a little bit high. All right, we're going for 60 seconds. In 3, 2, 1, go. So they're resting here. You're squatting down. Yep, good. And down, good. Push, good, and up. Good. Keep going as I talk. We got 20 and we got 40 to go. As you squat down, make sure your knees are not coming in. You're pushing those knees out into your squat, okay? We are halfway. Squats get hard. Keep those elbows up nice and high. Good. And Steph, if you need to, put that on your back. If you can pop it up on your back. Yep. And squat it out. Good, we got 10 seconds. Good, Sarah. Nice. Good, Liz. Good job. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Nicely done. Steph, when you have that barbell on make sure that it's not on that like neck bone. Make sure you hold your barbell on the top of your shoulder blade so you don't get bruising on your neck, okay? I don't know if you were holding it there, just a little tip for the barbell. Okay, so lateral side lunges in 3, 2, 1, and go. So you're gonna come down, put that weight into your heel, switch to the other side. Good. So you should feel that stretch on this inner thigh as you come down, and then you should feel the weight on the other leg. Try to keep your chest upright. This is like our slow movement. Enjoy this. Try to dig nice and low. Good. We have 15 seconds. This is a great exercise for working that inner thigh and the outer glute. Woo, we got 10 seconds. Good, everybody's looking awesome. Keep it up, 2, and 1. So we're going right into our power squats. So you're gonna be down and up like that, or step. We got 5 seconds. Woo, 2, 1, go. If you can, hit that floor. There you go. Make sure you're breathing. Good, and remember if you need to step, you step it out, step it in. Step it out. You're still gonna feel it just as much. We got halfway, 30 in, 30 to go. Good, everybody's killing it. Keep it up. Whew. Last 15, this is where it's gonna burn. It's gonna hurt. Come on, Xenia, you got it. Last 10, go for it. Woo, quick tap at the top, and down, 2, and 1. Oh man. That's the one that's gonna kill us right there. So we got our single leg, glute bridge on the ground, 30 seconds each side. So pick a side, get down. We're going in 3, 2, 1, go. So you're gonna push up, drive through that heel, come down, and up. You should feel that in your glute and hamstring. We got 10 in, we got 20 to go. Whew. Again, keep that core really tight as you're doing this as well. You're not always just working your butt. It's a little bit of everything. We got 5 seconds. Give me 2 more. 1 and 2. Go to the other side right away and go. Good. Awesome. Keep going. I want to check everybody. I can't see everybody. You're all down to the ground. Good. Nice. From what I can see, everybody's feet are looking amazing. Good. We got 5 seconds to go. Don't stop until I say stop. 1 more big rep. 2 and 1. Nicely done. So you get a nice breather. Grab some water. If you're all feeling fantastic, give me a thumbs up. Thanks, Donna. Whew. All right, let's get ready for this. So front squat, 50 seconds at each exercise now. Whew. All right, so get ready, set it up. It looks like everybody's ready to rock. We got 3, 2, 1, go. Dumbbells are up, elbows are up nice and high. Good. Inhale down, exhale up. Good. Good, awesome job. Good, only come 90 degrees and then you're back up. Don't kill yourself too much. We are already halfway. The hard part is also keeping those elbows up because you just get tired. You're doing great. Keep it up. Last 10. Try to give me 3 more. 1, good. 2, give me 1 more. And 1, good job. Woo, we're gonna go into that lateral shuffle. So again, feet are nice and wide. As you come down in this leg, the weight's going into it. As you come down, the weight's going into this leg. We're going in 3, 2, 1, and go. So really make sure you're staying upright so that you do not feel it in your lower back, and drive through those heels. Woo! Good. Drive that dumbbell right to that heel. So it forces you to put that weight into that heel. Woo, we're already past halfway. Good. Nice. Ooh, kettlebell action, I love it. Good, good, good. Woo! Last 10. Good, down. Drive, we got 5 seconds. Stay the course, don't come out. 2 and 1. All right, we're going in 5 seconds. We got our power squats or hit the floor. 50 seconds in 3, 2, 1, go. So we're taking away 10 seconds. So it should be a little bit better. Good, keep that momentum going. Keep that power. If you need to step, step it. Breathe and get back into it. Good, we got 20 seconds. Liz, I think you froze because you were just standing there for quite a long time not moving. And I thought you maybe were just taking a break. We got 10 seconds. Sarah, you're killing it. Steph, power through those legs. You're doing amazing. Xenia, you got this. Less than 5. Come on, Karen. Woo! 2 and 1. Good job. Oh, man. Donna, you killed it too. We got single leg glute bridge. We got 25 seconds on each side. So we're going in 3, 2, 1, and go. Drive it up and down. Up, down. Don't hyperextend. Don't drive your hips up too far that you feel it in your lower back. As soon as you feel that squeeze in your glute, you're coming back down. Whew. Drive it up. We got 5 seconds. Stay in it. And 1 more. 2, 1. You're going to switch that side and go right away. Whew. If you're in the right position, you should be definitely feeling this in your glutes, in your hamstrings. We got 10 seconds to go. Inhale down. Exhale. I want 1 more rep. 2 and 1. Oh man, that one makes me sweat. It's like slow, isolated, but it makes me sweat. So we got 1 more round. 1 more round at each. And then we're done. Whew. I can't believe it's already 6:36 or 34. That's insane. It's crazy. All right. So get ready. 40 seconds at each. Front squat to start. Get your dumbbells ready. We're going to kill this last one together. Let's try not to stop the whole 40 seconds. We got 3, 2, 1, go. Front squat. Here you go. How many reps can you give me? Let's end it off a good night. I haven't seen you all in so long, so do me proud. Woo! Squat it down, drive it up. Control on the way down, and then power through those heels. We're already past halfway. Woo! Good. Awesome. Less than 10 seconds. I'm gonna squat it out here. I wanna watch y'all. Squat it down, drive it up, 1 more, 2, and 1. Liz is back with us. All right, we got side shuffle or lunge shift. I'm sorry. So we're lunging from side to side. It's good to see you, Liz. You didn't miss much. All right, we're going in 2, 1, go. So side lunge, shift into that other side. Woo! Good, bring that dumbbell right into that heel. It's gonna force you to go 90 degrees and put that pressure into that heel. We got 20 in, we got 20 to go. Good. Ten seconds. Oh man. Good, stay in it. 1 more, 2, and 1. 2 more exercises to go. Power squats. Get your mind right. We're gonna try to go for 40 seconds. This one's really hard for me, so let's try to stay in it. We got 3, 2, 1, go. Down and up. And if you need a step, you step it out. We already got 10 and we got 30 to go. Make sure you're breathing. Don't hold it in. There you go. Make sure you're really bending at the knees, not your hips. Woo! Oh man, we got this. We got 10 seconds. That's it. That's all. We got this. Less than 5, 2, and 1. Good job. We got 1 more. Yeah, give yourselves a clap. You deserve it. We're going down. Single leg glute bridge. We're going to stay 25 seconds on each side. We're not going to go 20 seconds. We're going 25 in 3, 2, 1. Go. Up and down. Up, squeeze. All the way down. Up and squeeze. Woo! Got 15 seconds. Woo! Last 5. 1 more. 2 and 1. Switch your side in 3, 2, 1. Go. So really find your comfy spot wherever it targets your glutes the most. Everybody's a little different. Woo. Last 10. You got 5 more seconds. Try to give me 2 more reps. That's 1. Give me 1 more. And 2. All right, sit it up. Legs are out straight. We're gonna stretch our hamstrings. I'm gonna turn off my camera.